Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am gonna show you how to cancel Elevenlabs subscription. So if you have bought Elevenlabs subscription and you want to cancel it, then this video is absolutely for you. So you guys have to simply open up Elevenlabs official website. So after opening up, you guys have to simply sign in with your Google account or any account in which you have paid get subscription. So it will take some time, and here you have to simply select the account, and you have to specially select that account in which you have bought subscription. So you guys have to make sure that. So after successfully logging in with your Elevenlabs account, you guys have to simply go to this link URL where is elevenlabs.io.app slash subscriptions. So you guys have to simply go to this subscription section. So after coming to the subscription section, here you guys will be able to see lots of packages, and you guys have to simply select any one of the package which you have purchased. So if you have purchased any of the package, you guys will be able to see the cancel subscription section instead of subscribe section. So I have never bought any subscription from Elevenlab, but from your side, if you have bought any subscription, it will be displayed here instead of the subscribe button. So you guys have to just simply click on the cancel subscribe. So assume that you have bought this subscription, and here it will be displayed as cancel subscription. You guys have to just simply tap on it and click on OK, and after that your subscription will be cancelled. And in order to verify that your subscription is really cancelled or not, so you guys have to just simply go to this manage subscription section. So here you have to just simply tap on it. So after tapping on that, it will tell you the current statistics and future statistics. So according to current and future statistics, you guys will be able to see that your subscription has been cancelled or not. So I have not bought any subscription, that's why I'm not getting any information clearly, but I have told you the complete guidelines in order to cancel the subscription. So I hope this methods find you well. To like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.